You are going to love the 2019 MX-5 Miata. The MX-5 Miata represents more than 20 years of a winning concept. A lightweight roadster that's purely about the experience between driver and machine. With the MX-5 Miata, exhilaration comes standard. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: convertible hardtop, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rain sensing wipers, rear window defroster, navigation system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.